Let's talk about sharing your favorite charts on social media or with friends or in your groups or chats, text messages. This is how you can share your charts. So, fastest way to get going on this is to click the camera icon at the top right of your chart. If you click this icon, we will automatically generate an image for you to copy, to tweet, or to save. And then you can basically send this link wherever you want across the web or to friends, and they can see your chart. You can also click Save Image, in which case we will generate this chart image for you. You can see we zoomed in, zoom out. This is an .png right here. And if we right click, we can now save image as, copy image, some other options as well. The point is, though, is you have a number of options to save your charts. And remember, let's say you do some analysis and you want to share that analysis with your friends. This is just an example. So we drew the trend line. Maybe we want to make a point of sort of this bouncing off this trend line. This is now something you could share really quickly by clicking the camera icon. And now this exact chart can be shared. Once again, if you click Save Image, it generates that chart with your drawing. So you see this? We just drew this, and now it's on this image. Right click, Save Image as, copy image, go share it with friends, family, colleagues, coworkers, whoever it is you want to share this chart with. One quick tip is if you look at our mouse hovering above the camera icon, it says Alt plus S. So we'll actually write this in. Alt plus S. If you're on a Mac, it's Option plus S. So this is PC, and then this is Mac. Okay, what do these keyboard shortcuts do? Think of them like hotkeys. If you're playing your favorite video game, we can click Option plus S and check it out. It generates the image for us right here. Then we can go ahead and share it, save the image, tweet it. Remember, it's really just this easy. Alt plus S, and we're ready to go. So that's how you share your chart with anyone. We wanted to make this quick tutorial so that you understand that you can take your charts out into the world, and essentially they can go wherever you want, whether it is to a text message or a group chat, anything of the sort. So we hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.